Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video, as promised, we will be doing a small unboxing. Let me just buy some tokens. Yeah, let's not talk about that, because we don't really have to. We're only using, we're only doing a 6,000 quid unboxing. Trust me, I can do better, but I don't want to.
No space in this bedroom. Too small.
Okay. So 6,455 should do. Okay, so now let's do some boxes. Or should I buy gifts? Let's actually just buy a gift. Okay, so now let's get into unboxing. So here's the box. 700. That's wrong. Let's get the godly first try. Let's go. Nope, I take it back. I'll take it. Okay, but I am gonna get it this one. I'm actually not. Did I just see the godly or did I see Oh! I want the... I at least want a legendary out of this. Because I only got candy. A cool? Dang it. This is like... Oh my god. Stickers? Stickers. Oh my god. Just open it. Oh, I seen it! 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 I seen that. Imagine I just... I thought I just seen that. Okay guys, that was that video. Now let's just get some people some gifts. Let me see for gift. If this girl says ABC, I'm gonna say no because you're harassing my mom and you're just winning. I'm gonna give gift to you got shiny. I'm so nice. Okay guys, I know I seen that, so that's gonna end up today's video. Hope you all enjoyed. Bye.